Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a free AI tool to create a fun animation from your picture or drawing 1 minute or less. With this tool, you can motivate your kids by animating their drawings or use it to create animations for content creation. Make sure you have a picture or drawing ready. In this video, I used images from Canva. You can also generate images using AI from Midjourney. So let's get started. Step 1. Visit the animated drawing website. You can find the link in this video description. Click the Start button to continue. Step 2. Click Upload Photo and select your photo. Once the image is fully uploaded, click Next to continue. Step 3. Select the region where your character is located. Click Next when finished. Step 4. The AI will automatically create a mask for your character. If the mask does not cover the entire image, you can manually add or remove selections using the pen and eraser button, then click Next. Step 5. Set up the character's joints by clicking and dragging the joints. This step is very important for the movement of the character. After completing the connection settings, click Next. Step 6. Select an animation. From the animation list, choose the animation that best suits your character, such as dance moves, fun moves, jumping, or walking. You can also add narration and stories using Chatgpt and AI voiceover tools such as Hidden and AI Studios. Once everything is set, click the zoom button and select Download to save the animation. Thanks for watching. Please support me by subscribing, liking, and sharing. See you in our next AI tutorial video. Goodbye.